Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be making this origami swirling butterfly. Let's see it in action. For this project, you will need one square 6-inch piece of origami. Start off by folding in half diagonally. Try to make straight creases. Alright, unfold, fold in half again diagonally. Unfold. Alright, and now you should have a cross right here. Now that you have that, just straighten all those creases one more time. Alright, now keep it folded this time. Now, you just want to fold it until the corner peeks out a bit. So, and try not to let the layers slip out. Just hold it. Right there. Alright, now that you have that, you just want to fold it in half. And now you should have this. Now that you have this, fold until right there where the corner. And just fold it. Just like that. Now you should have this. Now that you have this, unfold. Make sure that these triangles are on the top. Push this in, and then fold this to the line right there that you just made. Fold this down, and now you should have this. Throw it is make sure that this front part is pointing forward when you throw it. Then you go like this. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, turn your notifications so you never miss one of our latest videos, and we'll see y'all next time.